Hello guys, here welcome to my YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you are watching this video from. You are highly welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is all about the Anambra governorship election that was held on Saturday, 6th November 2021. The update on how the election is going about as INEC, that is the Independent National Electoral Commission, has declared Anambra governorship election inconclusive. The Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, has declared the November 6th Anambra governorship election inconclusive. The returning officer for Anambra governorship election, Professor Florence Obi, made the announcement on Sunday night in Awka. Mrs. Florence Obi said that the failure to conduct election in Ihiala local government area on election day as a result of security challenges has made it impossible to reach a definite conclusion under the Electoral Act on the result of the election. She therefore suspended collection of results in Anambra pending the conduct of election in Ihiala local government area, which will take place on Tuesday, 6th November 2021. Mrs. Florence Obi gave out the total number of votes already scored by candidates as following. According to her, Professor Charles Soludo of the All Progressive Grand Alliance, APOGA, pulled a total number of 103,946 votes, followed by Mr. Valentine Ozigbo of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, who scored 51,322 votes, while Andy Uba of All Progressive Congress, APC, got a total number of 42,942 votes, and Ifeanyi Uba of Young Progressive Council has a total number of 20,917 votes. According to Mrs. Obi, she said that Mr. Chukwuma Soludo won in 18 local governments out of the 20 local government areas of the state already conducted and declared. The local government area in which Mr. Soludo won are Orumba South Local Government, Onitsha North, Idemili North, Ekusigo Local Government, Agata Local Government, Orumba North Local Government, Nnewi South Local Government, Onitsha Local Government, Idemili South Local Government, Onitsha South Local Government, Anambra East, Awka South, Oyu Local Government, Anyamelum, and the Dukunofia Local Government. Why the PDP candidates won in Obaru Local Government area and Ifeanyi Uba of Young Progressive Party won in Nnewi North Local Government area. Mrs. Obi stated that the total number of valid votes already collected was 229,521 votes, while void votes are 7,841 votes, while the total number of votes casted was 237,362 votes. Mrs. Obi praised all parties for their support, noting that the supplementary election will be held only in Ihiala and that the final result will be announced after completing the election in Ihiala local government on 9th November 2021. That is so far about the Anambra State governorship election that was held on 6th November 2021. So by 9th November, that is on Tuesday, 9th November 2021, election will be held in Ihiala local government, and after which the final result for the Anambra governorship election will be announced by the Independent National Electoral Commission. Stick to this channel as I'll be bringing to you the total number of votes as it is being casted by the Anambra electorate as regards to the Anambra governorship election in the 20 local government area that election have been conducted there. So far, I'll be bringing to you the updates on how each candidate scored in all the local government. So stick to this channel, as in my next video that will be discussed. Please, if you enjoyed this video, kindly like and share, and also remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and press the notification bell in order not to miss any of the videos that I will be uploading. Thank you for always watching my video. See you next in our next video. Bye.